Election day is around the corner, and with it comes a powerful opportunity to shape our future. But voting isn't just about checking a box, it's about making a conscious, informed decision that reflects our values and aspirations. This election isn't just about picking a name on a ballot, it's about choosing a direction we want our community, our country, and our world to take. So don't just vote, vote wisely. Take the time to research the candidates, learn about their platforms, and compare their positions on the issues that matter to you. Don't rely on rumors or misinformation. Seek out credible sources and engage in thoughtful conversations with people who hold different views. By understanding the choices before us, we can make informed decisions that reflect our values and contribute to a brighter future. So, this election, it's not just cast a ballot. Let's make a choice that matters.